The word today. Global media promotes of restructural of culture and social communicates. Global media support the create of new communicates. The common point of departure is the assumption that a series of in, international media ensures a global cultural and social globalization in which cultural uh, cultural commodities are contagious. Res, res, restrict to read and revifined. Virus media drive virus form of global integration. Virus media are used for globalizations to work all over the world. Media plays a major role in globalization. Example, televisions or internet or computer considered to have a significant in influence in globalization. Global integration process of interactions and the agree of economic and political integrations among countries around the world. Global integrations can involve a process of the product stand, standardizations and track, tractions drive drivement controlization.